Say hi, Blippi.
Look at my son. Look at my son doing the frog jump.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Titi. Happy birthday to you. Titi, blow, candle, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Yay!
Read what it is. Read what it is.
Yes, we want it. We.
Wow. Told you this is not what I want. This is too short. You kind of go.
Can you be nice on my video, please?
Oh, this is very nice. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Ooh, thank you, mommy. You're getting something tonight. Ooh, look at this. Ooh.
That's an Egyptian towel,
Egyptian
cotton.
towel cotton. Ooh.
Egyptian cotton. So
Oh yeah.
the best.
Brand
The
new.
best.
Ooh, the best kind. Ooh.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you.
Say Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Sander. Sander.
Thank you.
La. Quiet.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Ooh, yummy. Yummers. Ito, meron kaming tirang melon. So, ginawa ni nanay na ice candy. May dala siyang, diba, yung, anong tawag doon? Plastic ng ice candy nung pumunta siya dito. Ayan. Meron na kaming melon ice candy. Bili na. Tapos, si nanay, gumawa din ng yelo. Ito yung ice candy. So excited. Natikman ko na siya kanina bago siya tumigas ng matigas na matigas. Ay, parang Pilipinas. Ang sarap. Buti na lang maraming dala si nanay. So we can try more flavors na ice candy. Hi, nanay! Hi! So nandito kami sa park. Malapit sa bahay. Ang ganda dito, oh, ang daming tulips. Ganda ng place. May fountain dito kaso walang tubig. Ayan. Oh, ganda, diba? Para kaming nasa Ottawa Tulip Festival. Gaganda ng flowers. Yan. Diba? Actually, maganda yung weather ngayon eh. Oh. Gusto namin dito sa place namin kasi oh, daming parks, daming pwedeng puntahan. Ayan, may another fountain. So ito ay ang Johnson Horticultural Gardens. So yan oh, yung fountain fish. Fish ba yun o dragon? Oh, ewan ko kung ano yung tsura niya, no? Yun sila bo. Wow! Wow! Hello, Nay!
Hello, Sisi. Kain na tayo.
Oh, ayun pa mga tulips doon. Ayun pa. So, meron ka na ditong banig. May tulips pa doon.
Iyak ko po. Yeah. Yeah.
We have Tim Hortons. We have Farmer's Wrap. We have bagel ni Kuya.
Blood yan, blood. Blood. Let's blood. Make money, bloggers.
Ang ganda nito eh, oh. lang dyan. Ayun, tatay pa. Oh, napakaraming kahoy. Kahit saan ka tumingin. Ang dahil panggatong. Oh. Oh, this one wants to go home. Ganda-ganda nga dito eh. Oh. Hi, Sisi! Ayan o, merong ganito dito, yung mga splash pad. Yan o. Pwede dyan maligo. Para yan talaga sa mga bata. Kaso medyo malamig ngayon. Ayan o. Nakakatuwa o. Mga fountain. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Wow. Ganda! Thunder! Daddy! Wow! Dito ka, nanay, oh. Para kasama ka sa ano. Hi, Sisi! Look at the flowers!